Hello everyone, I would like to present a proposal for transitioning our current relational database to a non-relational database which is known as NoSQL. This move can have several benefits but also comes with certain challenges. In this proposal, I will provide a list of pros and cons specific to our database, give my recommendations on whether the move would be beneficial, and outline a detailed deployment plan for making the upgrade to a non-relational database. The pros of transitioning to a non-relational database are, I would take like 5 pros, which are flexible schema, scalability, support for unstructured data, performance, and horizontal reliability. And let us discuss about the flexible schema. Non-relational database can accept data structure changes without expensive migrations. Scalability. NoSQL database can manage big data sets and significant traffic loads. Performance. Non-relational database often provide faster read and write operations due to their optimized data storage and retrieval mechanism. Support for unstructured database. NoSQL database handle JSON and XML data better than relational database. Horizontal scalability. This is the ability to distribute data over numerous servers as provided by NoSQL database, and it enables us to extend our infrastructure as needed without experiencing sustainable downtime or a drop in performance. Cons of transition to a non-relational database. Data consistency. What is data consistency? NoSQL database prioritize availability and partition tolerance over strict data consistency, which means they may allow for eventually consistency, leading to potential data conflicts. Limited query capabilities. Non-relational database may have limited query capabilities compared to relational database, making complex joins and aggregation more challenging. Learning curve. Transition to a non-relational database requires a learning curve for our development team to understand the new data, model, and query languages associated with chosen NoSQL technology. And tooling and ecosystem. Relational database have a mature ecosystem and a wide range of tools and frameworks built around them. The tooling and ecosystem for NoSQL database may not be in existence or mature. And the recommendations are based on our database properties and advantage and downside mentioned. I advocate switching to a non-relational database. NoSQL database meet our needs for flexibility, scalability, and performance. However, we must weigh the trade-offs and ensure the data consistency and query capabilities are acceptable for our use cases. Deployment plan for transitioning to a non-relational database, which are evaluate requirements, select a non-relational database, data modeling and data mitigation, application integration, testing and optimization, development and monetization. First, we go through evaluate requirements. Evaluate requirements conduct a comprehensive analysis for our current and future requirements to ensure that a non-relational database is the right fit. Select a non-relational database which chooses the appropriate NoSQL database technology based on our specific needs, considering the factors like data model and scalability, community support, and ecosystem. Data modeling. Redesign the data modeling to align with the chosen NoSQL database. This may involve denormalization and structuring data for efficient retrieval. Data migration. Develop a strategy to migrate data from the existing relational database to the new non-relational database. This may involve creating custom scripts or utilizing tools provided by the NoSQL database technology. Application integration, which modifies our application to interact with the new database. This includes updating queries, integration with NoSQL database drivers, and ensuring compatibility with the chosen technology. And the testing and optimization. Thoroughly test new database, measure performance, benchmarks, and optimize queries and data access patterns for optimal performance. And last one is the deployment and monitoring. The deploy and the monitoring deploy the new non-relational data in a production environment and establish the monitoring and alerting. And the references are Thakur and Gupta, which is 2002 and 1, a relational and non-relational database, a review journal of University of Shanghai for Science and Technology.